Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and it's time for another edition of Financial Calendar from Forex. In the early half of the week, the following macroeconomic events are going to be important. Thus, the US will report its industrial production figures for February. Economists expect the indicator to rise by 0.2% from January, when it dropped by 0.3% on the back of abnormally cold weather. The decline was partially offset by the rise in the utility sector and increased demand. Analysts anticipated the factory output to advance by 0.2%. Meanwhile, the indicator rose an annualized 2.9%. On Tuesday, Germany's ZEW Economic Institute is to disclose its economic sentiment reading for March. According to economists, it has fallen to 54.5. Last month, the indicator dropped to 55.7 from 61.7. Analysts said the indicator's reading was to remain unchanged. At the same time, ZEW Current Conditions Index rose to the score of 50 in February from 41.2 in January. On Wednesday, there will be one of the most important events. The Federal Open Market Committee will announce its March interest rate decision. Experts say it is likely to be kept within the range of 0% to 0.25%. At its previous meeting, the U.S. Central Bank announced tapering of its monthly bond purchases by another $10 billion to $65 billion. The regulator said in the statement that current market indicators signal improving economic situation. However, the labor market shows mixed picture, but overall situation seems to be better. At the same time, the Fed expressed concerns about the low inflation rate, which remains below the target level of 2%. And that concludes the economic calendar for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.